Hey, this is iplyricx, and today I want to make a tutorial, tutorial video, I don't know, about how to make a playlist. I don't want to go through all the discussion or explanation about what a playlist is. So just basically, it's like when you have a playlist, it's easier for people to go through your stuff and in categories. Alright, and you get more views potentially according to what I've heard. So what you want to do is you need to click on this little icon here. So you click on that and you click on your channel, this one here. When you do so, you wait for short, and then you go to customize, this one here, customize channel. So you click on customize channel, you need to wait and goes. Okay, now you want to click on this one here, this playlist, because that's what we're trying to make. Now we click. Alright, so we'll click on that, and now you can give it a name, what you want to call this playlist. So let's say Nay's tutorials.
Baby got me feeling inside something that I cannot deny. Feel like we're the only person.
Nay's tutorials. Alright, and at this point you can change the privacy, either public, unlisted, or private. So in the unlisted, that means what happens in unlisted is when people come to your channel and click on this playlist, they can't see the content except you send them the link to the playlist. But in public, whoever comes there gets it and they can see what it is. So in private, you already know what that is. So now for this, we're clicking on public and we'll click on create. Wait for short, and now this is what it is here. This is it. If you want to add a video to your playlist, to this playlist we've created, what you need to do is you go to your channel, for instance, and then you click on your videos. Either you do so like this, and then you can open the one you want to put to the playlist, and while it's playing, or you can pause if you want, what you need to do is you click on save, this save here, and you can see the list of your created playlist here. So when you click on the one you've created, it goes to that exact one, the exact playlist. Now you can add as many as you want. We can add this, for instance, just an example. So like I said before, you just click on this and you click on playlist you want it to be in. We'll click on that and you see this here again, and now it's there. So that's how you create a playlist. And the second way is to simply click, instead of going through the stress of the entire process I've shown you before, you can just click on save. Then you can create a new playlist here. You write what you want to put in it, and you can change the privacy here. I just shift this away. So there you can change the privacy like we've seen in the other system. The other way you can do so you can click on create, or let me say it's the same product you get, the same end product. So you have them here now, for instance. So whichever video you want to remove from your playlist, you simply click from here and it leaves the playlist. And to see your playlist, you simply go back to where we were before, to your channel, and then you click on playlist. I'm trying to be fast. And then we'll click on playlist. Here it is. And here is the other one we created before. And then you have your content inside. So I think that will be the end for this tutorials today. Please consider clicking on the subscribe button and let us know which other tutorials you would like to watch. Thank you. It's your boy iplyricx. Bang.